Hi viewers, myself Rakesh. Currently I am working as a .NET programmer in Spyro group of company. So let's look at our title. Our title is Efficient Authentication for Mobile and Pairwise Computing. So this is our title. So let's look at the abstract. Abstract is an application in which messages that need to be exchanged and shared and both their privacy and integrity need to be preserved. Rely on the existing of small devices that can exchange information and from communication networks. In a significant portion of such application, the confidentiality and integrity of the communicated messages are of particular interest. In these two narrative techniques used for authenticating short encrypted messages that are directed to meet the requirements of mobile and applications by taking advantage of the fact that the message to be authenticated must also be encrypted. So this is the abstract of our project. So let's look at the existing and proposed concept. In that existing concept is if the authenticated message must also be encrypted. Existing MACs are not designed to utilize the functionality that can be provided by the underlying encryption algorithm. This is the existing concept, and what are the technique we used in the existing system. We used in the existing technique is message authentication code, that is the MAC we can say in short code, and technique definition MAC code algorithm that are designed for the sole purpose of preserving message integrity based on their security. MACs can be either unconditionally or computationally secure. So this is the existing concept and technique definition. So what is the proposed system? The proposed system, the novelty of the proposed scheme is to utilize the encryption algorithm to deliver a random string and use it to reach the and efficiency of one-time paired authentication without the need to manage impractically long keys. So this is the proposed concept. So proposed technique use MAC with random number. So this is the proposed technique name. So technical definition is the authentication algorithm can benefit from the simplicity of unconditional secure authentication to allow for faster and more efficient authentication without the difficulty to manage one-time keys. So this is the technical definition. So what is the drawback and advantages? Drawback of existing concept is MACs are insufficient when the message to be authenticated or short. And what is advantages of proposed concept? Messages are relatively short. Addition and modular multiplication can be performed faster than existing secure MACs. So this is the existing and proposed difference. So let's look at our overall diagram. So in that one server is there. One server contains some devices, related device. In this message storing based on the authentication process. So this is the mobile device. So this is the system device we can say. So in that we use it in the two devices. So mobile configuration is different and system configuration different also. So that time we will send the message to one device to another device based on the authentication. So this is the overall diagram of our project. So let's look at the what is the software and hardware requirements we will use in this project. Software requirement is operating system Windows 7, front end is Microsoft Visual Studio 2010, coding language C#, backend SQL Server 2008. Hardware requirements: processor Pentium dual core 2 GHz, hard disk 40 GB, mouse Logitech, RAM 2 GB minimum, keyboard 110 keys enhanced. So let's look at the future enhancement. Future work is in this project. Further we enhance the efficient process for mobile and computing systems. We use the indexing and hashing concept, which is used to take less time for request and response time for mobile device report. So this is the future concept. Future technique is hash function. What is a hash function means is any function that can be used to map digital data size to digital data of fixed size with slight difference in input data producing very big difference in output data. So advantages of future concept. A hash function allows one to easily verify that some input data matches a stored hash value. So this is our concept of our project. Thank you for watching this video.